So, hi guys, welcome back. It's been a long 1 year I took to create a video, but there is a reason behind it. I'll start from beginning. When I lost my job in 2024, it was May 2024 exact to be exact. So, what I have done is what many things lot happened. I got infected and so I thought that rather than depending on job, I should go with a business. But for business, we need a proper business idea. We can't just, awake. We just can't. What should I say? We can't just, get up in one day morning and thought let launch a new business. That should not happen. We need to have a proper business idea. We need to have a proper business model. We need to think what we should learn, what should go, because it contains many things. It consists of many risks, many money, reputation, and a lot of things. So at that time, I created one app, but due to Google policies and various other things, I left the idea there itself, and I got a job in a company and I just dropped that idea. But this year, past from 1 year, I was facing some issues and I was thinking to launch it in a in an app form. But due to some circumstances, like in terms of money, in terms of Google policies, in terms of um, many personal reasons also, I just delayed that idea. But finally, I designed proper business model this April, basically, to be exact, this year April, and I designed firstly a proper business model. I use Weasley and various other AI tools to properly design UI. Then I start the coding in mobile app and backend too from scratch. Learning, there is a lot of learning because I don't know much about the backend and DevOps things, so I learned a lot about those things as too. Even I have to create some websites too that I didn't know much have a knowledge, so I took help from various websites and various other learning platforms. But I finally launched my app on Google Play Store, and if I got a good users, then I'll launch an App Store too. So what I have launched, what I have done, what I have created in past few months, what is exactly is which users I target, and a lot of questions uh, are there. So I address them one by one. So the first question is what actually I have launched, what I have created. The simple question. So the answer is I explain with a story. So what happens is when we in college, we have lot of options to approach. Some students, some people have already have an idea that we need to go in this field. I want to be an engineer, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a businessman. In that also we have various domains, but if I talk in simple terms, most people, like some people got what we want to, but many other students, many other like me, are still confused, like during college, but we should go. If I approach this domain, should I get a better results, better growth? Should I really got interest in this domain? What happens after 10 years if I stick going with this domain? Or you can say I have interest in mobile app. So what happens if I keep going in mobile app? I learned a lot. What happens after 5 years? Should I get a good growth? Should I be a manager? Should I be a CTO? Should I can be a I should I am good enough capable to you know live a good life, good feed give my family a proper uh, good life. Basically, I can't find the exact words, but what I'm trying to say, try to get through these words. So there are a lot of questions. So But what I have done during my college, I even tried every domain. I tried in web development, I tried data science, I tried AI, I tried everything what I can do at my own. Tried everything, every new thing after 2 months, 3 months during COVID period, during my college sessions. So at last I reached to mobile app because I have a good interest, because I'm interested in this. I'm really passionate about it. I want to learn it more. I can grow in it very happily, and I think I can get better results in future too. But what about other people? What about other students? Which are still confused. So even if I talk about the professionals, not the students, so they also, I saw many people who just started with front-end developer or any other developer, but then after 1 or 2 years they moved to QA, not because of, yes, or I would say some because of company requirements, but some because of I don't have much interest, or I don't think I can go with this one. Or even some people even choose to shift from front end to back end, or shift to full stack, just because they want to grow, they want to, they think they can do more, they have more interest in that thing, full stack, and they, during their experience, they got what they can do, what they can capable of, what they can more they can do in terms of hard work to improve their life. So what I have created is, I have created a simple mobile app which helps these users to understand what actually a job role it provides you. Suppose I want to go with front-end developer, then should I go or not? What happens? So I just open my our app, which name is ConviTrust. So user like me open a ConviTrust app. I see what happens in right now, front-end developer or web developer. In suppose I want to see after 5 years, so I select 5 years of experience in front-end developer. What happens next? What are the key metrics? So what I show is, so there you go to know, okay, this is the results. These are the results. What I can do, what I got, what actually happens. Everything I got an idea. So I can understand a basic idea. I should go or not with this one, or I can should give it a try or not. Other than this, how this data will generate, how this data will get, how I bring the data to my app. Is this an AI, or is it some sort of feed from some other sites? Nothing is like that. The simple rule: the professionals who are working right now or worked in a company, they can submit their feedbacks, their reviews on my app, and based on that reviews, based on that feedback, I developed an algorithm which will get the results in our app to show the data. It is not something like one person has submitted a review and I'll show to that other users. No, it will be the aggregated data. It will be consist of many users' feedbacks, many users' data. It no, and how it will be shown, that the whole depends on my algorithm which I have written in my. So now it's time to showcase my app, what I have created actually. I hope you can see my screen. So this is the app which I have created. This is basically a simple onboarding screen, you can see. Before starting, tell you that I tell you that the data will be shown in this app right now in this video is completely generated by me or AI, because this is running on my local server. Okay, so this is completely assume data, or you can say temp data. Okay, so we have multiple options. We can sign in with Google, LinkedIn, or email with one time verification code, or as a guest. Okay, so if I start with as a guest, there you can see we have a first screen which shows us that we can select our what is our job role. Suppose I select uh, front-end developer. How many years of experience? Suppose I'm an intern. Company is always optional, and this screen is also, you can see here a skip button. For a guest user, this is completely optional, so he can just enter into the app and can directly, explore the app. So right now I just skip it. So yeah, I can see this is the app. Firstly, I show, okay, you can just explore the workplace inside as a guest. Whenever you want to feel that you want to join this app, you can just log in, you can connect your Google account or LinkedIn account with my app. So this is basically a tutorial where you can understand what this homepage is about. And new users, I'm sorry, guest users can't create anything. They can just explore the app. They can't report anything. They can't create anything. If you can see here, this is verify a profile to contribute workplace insights. Now here you can see this is our, as I didn't selected any professional experience my, so that is why it is showing personalize your insights, explore workplace insights. That's it. We are showing trending comparisons like backend and front end, backend and full stack, front end and full stack. And if I click on it, I can see there I can compare two job roles with a given experience. I can even switch to intern, entry level, mid level, and here I can see I even change any job role if I want to. Okay, here I can see, okay, workload, work life balance, manager quality, in team environment, growth potential, feedback, and overall a summary about it. Okay, if I suppose select I intern, and if I don't have any data, I can simply show share workplace insight for these roles to help unlock richer companion and smarter career guidance for everyone. So there is no user experience should be break. Now next what I can see, I have a search screen where I can explore what are trending insights. If I click on it, I get an overview what is inside detail. Basically a web developer at mid level of experience. I didn't select any company. You can see here I can get an option to add a company. So I get an overview. This is a global data. So no company is selected here. I can see there is a workload, work-life balance, manager support, growth opportunities. If I add any company, suppose I just select this company. And if I have any data, okay, I don't have any data. So let me just change any company. Let's say, okay, so I have some data here. I can see behavior benchmarks, what is Bright Loop Digital is doing, what is market average, so it is going good or bad, and a summary, so user can easily understand what actually happens in a global market. Next, user can have a create insight, but yeah, as a guest user, you can't do compare. I already show you. This is my profile screen. A user can't, two users can't connect to each other. No, any user can't see any profile. This is completely isolated anything. People are here to understand the job roles, not to interact with any other user. To interact, there's already a LinkedIn. To interact, there's already a Glassdoor. If you need a simple rule is that if you want to get a job, you will go to LinkedIn. If you want to know company feedbacks, company reviews, I can go with a Glassdoor. But if I want to know any job role, what his job role is doing in the market, I can come to our ConviTrust app. So here you can see, as of now, there is nothing data shown as a guest. Here settings where I can just insert my professional details. I can see my active sessions. If I create any company, the company going with the company request, and admin, as an admin, I'll see if company is already exist or not. Should I accept or reject? Whatever is this. And here I can see I can connect any account, and my account will be a proper authorized account. I even give a system that you can choose light, dark, or app theme, whatever you want to. I have and other related options. So this is what actually my app is there. I tried to explain many things, but if you want to understand whole app, you need to install and download. I'll add a app link in the description so you can check out and see. This is my company website which I have created, where you can see a basic overview. This is basically I created for just marketing purpose. So you find only the information here. What is, why it is, how it works, what you can discover, build for trust, access options, designed for modern professionals, frequently asked questions. You can download from directly here also. And some basic links, so you can directly go to my app, or you can directly reach out if you have any issues or anything here. I even added that support in app too, but you can submit here also. Next thing I want to tell you that behind all these things, what technologies I have used. For mobile app, I have used Flutter. For backend, I have used Golang language, and remaining things I have set up from here and there, because I am managing from my own salary. So I took maximum steps which can minimize my cost. So you can just check out, and if you have any doubts, you can have any questions, or you want to reach out to me, you can directly comment, or you can reach out to the given email addresses mentioned in our website, or you can reach out, you can use the app also. I have future future idea I have future I have more ideas also for this app. I'm also working on another project for this app for this project, this company only, but that is also an app, but it is a different app. But right now I'm working, will be launching soon in later 2 to 3 months, and this and the second phase also for this app. So as I launched this app just last week Monday, so this is a beginning. I hope if you are a professional, you can contribute your review, your past experience on my app too, so it can help other students, other people also to get the information. And I hope you like it. And if you find any issue, as this is the first stage of the product, so you may find bugs, issues. I tried to minimize as bugs as possible to, and use best technologies to avoid bad user experience. But still, if you find any glitch, any issue during the app, I'm open for that. I'm ready to fix that. I have no issues with that also. So as I'm don't have any words for this, but but yeah, this is the what I have launched, what I have created on my own. Hope you like it, and we'll meet in the next video. And if you still want any tutorials or any guidance for this, I'll definitely create a video for that. Please mention in the comments box of this video. And I end this video here, and yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.